Hello everyone, welcome again my YouTube channel Life with Style. How are you friends? Hope so you are all doing and fine in your life. So dear viewers, today in this video you can see very stylish and very trendy round face haircut and hair ideas. So dear viewers, subscribe my channel and if you like my video, please share it. And I suggested you to watch my video till end because this video is full of very trendy and very eye-catching gorgeous hairstyles for the round face for the ladies who have round face. The best hair ideas are here in this video. So dear viewers, in this video you can see very stylish long and high hair designs along with very different dyes also here. So dear viewers, at my channel you can see very trendy and very unique ideas and very great trendy hairstyles for the round face. So dear viewers, these ideas and hairstyles are so elegant and charming that you love to see each and every style of the hair. So dear friends, at my channel video, you can see every type of hairstyles for every woman. Like casual as well as the party for offices, haircut designs are here. And dear viewers, so keep watching my video till end because in this video everyone get many more ideas about haircut and hairstyles for the round face especially. So dear viewers, I always try my best to show you very beautiful, very eye-catching and gorgeous updated content and useful and stylish ideas that can boost up your confidence and enhance the beauty of your personality. So dear viewers, if you are new at my channel, please subscribe my channel and share my video if you like it. All these collection and all these ideas of the haircut